Daikon radish is also known as white radish. It's a root vegetable commonly used in Asian cuisine, is not only versatile and delicious, but also packed with nutrients that offer a wide range of health benefits. This crisp white radish is low in calories yet rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds that support overall health and well-being. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and protective plant compounds, offers health benefits such as helping promote weight loss, helping protect against chronic diseases, and helping support liver health. Check out the 12 awesome health benefits of Daikon radish that will boost your health. Rich in nutrients. Daikon radish is a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Low in calories. It is low in calories, making it an excellent addition to weight loss and calorie-controlled diets. High in fiber. Daikon radish is rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and helps prevent constipation. Antioxidant properties. Daikon radish contains antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Promotes heart health. The potassium in Daikon radish helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of hypertension and supporting heart health. Detoxification. Daikon radish supports liver function and aids in the detoxification process, helping the body eliminate toxins. Anti-inflammatory effects. The bioactive compounds in Daikon radish have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Bone health. The calcium and magnesium in Daikon radish contribute to maintaining strong and healthy bones. Hydration. Daikon radish has a high water content, which helps keep the body hydrated and supports overall health. Skin health. The vitamin C and antioxidants in Daikon radish support collagen production, improving skin health and reducing signs of aging. Improves respiratory health. Daikon radish can help clear mucus from the respiratory tract, providing relief from congestion and supporting respiratory health. Anti-cancer potential. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants and phytochemicals in Daikon radish may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.